Welcome to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Freight market scenario by Saigal Seatrade.
The freight rates in the Asia-Pacific Supramax market were mostly lower on September 5, with participants pointing to lackluster activity levels in the Pacific market, more notably on the Indonesia-India coal route. The Asia-Pacific Panamax market freight rates trended higher on September 5 as market sources cited reduced tonnage levels in the Pacific region.
JNPA records highest ever monthly container traffic in August as exports surge. Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority recorded the highest ever monthly container traffic as it handled 639,336 20-foot equivalent units in August 2024, an increase of 15.14% on a yearly basis. The port surpassed the previous highest of 603,217 TEUs handled in July 2024 with a month-on-month increase of almost 6%. Driven by the annual export growth of 19.22%, the port handled 7.89 million metric tons of cargo last month, reporting an increase of 7.62% year-on-year. The port handled 37.42 million metric tons of total cargo between April and August 2024 with an increase of 6.2% year-on-year. Sagarmala Development Company to transform into shipping sector focused NBFC by March. By March next year, Sagarmala Development Company Limited, an enterprise incorporated under the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, to look after the formulation and development of projects under the Sagarmala program, will cease to exist in its current form and morph into a non-banking financial company whose mandate would be to solely look after the financing needs of India's ports and shipping sector. According to a senior official, the approval from the government has been given and the registration process for Sagarmala Development Company to turn into a non-banking financial company has already commenced, and the process is expected to be completed in 6 or 7 months. Russia ships LNG straight to storage as sanctions bite. Russia has started shipping LNG from its flagship Arctic LNG 2 project, but not to customers. The shipments have been made from the Arctic project to floating storage units, either in Russia or in European waters, as potential customers are unwilling to buy LNG from the facility, which has seen tightened Western sanctions in the past months, the Financial Times reported on Thursday, citing data from ship tracking providers. Located in the Gaidan Peninsula in the Arctic, Arctic LNG 2 was considered key to Russia's efforts to boost its global LNG market share from 8% to 20% by 2030 to 2035. Steel Ministry backs industry's demand to raise tariffs. India's Steel Minister will try to convince the Finance Ministry to raise tariffs on steel imports, he said on Wednesday, to protect domestic mills from a rise in cheaper imports from countries such as China. India, the world's second biggest crude steel producer turned net steel importer in the fiscal year through March, and the trend continued during the first 4 months of the fiscal year that began in April. China was the top steel exporter to India from April to July, shipping about 807,000 metric tons to its neighbor. It was followed by Japan and South Korea. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune channel if you haven't already. And make sure to register for our milestone event, India Ship Management Summit and Awards 2024.